Hi, good morning. Welcome to Cloud Lab. My name is Marco Martinez, and today I want to show you the second part of our Twilio Flex custom plugin for ServiceNow. So let me launch my plugin just to give you more context and to show you how it works and how it looks. So remember that in our first part, we created the right site. So basically we are displaying, based on the contact, we are displaying the user information, location, hardware, number of tickets open for that user, number of backlog tickets, and also tools for resetting and unlocking the user account from the CRM, the agent CRM. And now the new stuff is now ticket. It's a tab on the tasks tab. And as you can see now, this is for creating a task, or I'm sorry, for creating a ticket from here. So let me start typing. So my username is Marco, M-A-R. And by the way, it's pulling this information from ServiceNow, directly from ServiceNow. It's doing that query. Contact type, okay, this guy contacted us by phone. State in progress. Let's say it's a top priority too. No, let's say that this is a high priority. Assignment group, service desk. So again, I'm querying, assign to, let's assign it to the David Lu. User unable to access Twilio Flex. Flex. Let's just add a simple description. Enable. Oh my god. To access Twilio Flex. So if I submit that ticket, okay, we just create a ticket INC 00100052. Let's double check that. Let me refresh my incident list. Yes, that ticket was created as a high priority, correct assignment group, correct everything. So again, we are querying that data directly from ServiceNow, the assignment group assigned to the name of the user. And if I want to update my ticket from here, yes, I can still update my ticket from here. Update it and update it. So that was all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and if you have any comments, please share those comments. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.